Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Drop your top and show me your seats. 1968 Camaro convertible. Matador Red, red interior, white top, excellent condition car. A 327 period correct engine. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, beautiful chrome. All your badging and lights are working correctly. Power steering car, I'll take that back. 4-barrel carburetor. Power booster for the brakes was just added. Very clean inside here. Original manifolds. Freshly done. It's only had one paint job in its lifetime. Beautiful car. A great specimen. The paint lays so gorgeous on this car and lines up and gaps exactly the way it should. Straight all the way down, no waves, no dents, no anything. Rally wheels. No flaws here. Gap in the door and the fender, great. All your chrome, weather stripping, great. All your glass, great. This is a great example of this car, folks. Rear quarter lines up to the door the way it should. Rear chrome bumper, all your lights are working properly. Trunk gaps out great. Trunk's in excellent condition, folks. I can't find any flaws in this paint. I'd point them out to you. All your chrome on the bottom. Just the way it should. The car drives out wonderful. We're gonna go for a ride. But look at this on an angle. Let me get down. I mean, perfect. All the way throughout this car. Look how nice this interior is. I mean, it's as fresh as it rolled off the showroom floor. Love it. All your sills, cavities, clean. Carpet. Dashboard's in great shape. Sorry, I have nothing bad so far to say about this one. Fuel gauge is working. Horn is working. Lights are working. Heater is working. Radio is original and it's not turning on. It's just solid. Giddy up, baby. Just drives great. No funky noises. It's got dual mirrors. Nice and smooth. It's up and goes. $8,000 miles showing on the odometer. I think that's what it is since it's been totally redone. Because the engine and the whole car has been complete. I mean, it's just going down the road beautifully. Brakes good. What a pleasure to drive, folks. Stop's great. All right, we're gonna give it a U-turn here if we have any crazy noises. That usually tells us. Nice. Oh yeah. So wants to go. Goes through the gears great. This is really a nice car, folks. No disappointments on this. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I've got 170 cars online, all with photos and videos and full description. You could go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com, and check them out. And if you have any questions, you could call me, schedule an appointment, answer any of your questions. We have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door, and special financing with good credit up to 180 months, sometimes with no money down if your credit's real good. My name is Earl, and you can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have a full mechanical shop on premises at our second warehouse, which is filled with all the toys as well. So if you like us on Facebook. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Earl. Really appreciate spending some time with me. And if you need to reach me, call me at 773-600-0919. This 68 Camaro is outstanding. Treat yourself. It's a real nice car. Talk to you all soon.